Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'm going to be sharing 3 quick and simple, budget-friendly fall DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started.
Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus.
For this first DIY, I'm gonna try to recreate this white pumpkin arrangement I saw on the Kirkland's website for $40, but I'm gonna be using budget-friendly items. For example, all of this greenery is from Walmart. They were 97 cents per stem. I ended up using 8 lamb ears, and the rest of the floral is as well 97 cents, and it was just leftover I had around the house. And the burlap leaves are from Dollar Tree, as well as the floral foam. I had also spray painted the floral foam white, since the green, if there was any spots missing, you wouldn't be able to see the green. Instead, you would just see white, and it kind of blends with the lamb ears.
It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. Every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time.
For the center, I'm gonna be adding this white pumpkin I had from last year, and I got it at Walmart for $5.
Out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every...
For the second DIY, I'm gonna try to recreate this candle centerpiece that I saw on the Kirkland's website as well, but using budget-friendly items. For example, most of these items are from the Dollar Tree, like the black bucket, the glass vases, and the floral foam, and the maple leaves. Only the greenery is from Walmart, so I'm just gonna try to put it all together and try to recreate that Kirkland's centerpiece.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on, just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
For the last and final DIY, I started off by painting this wooden maple leaf with some gray paint, and I let it dry for at least 10 minutes.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment.
Once the gray paint was done drying, I'm gonna be adding this brown Waverly chalk paint on top.
I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here?
To give it more detail, I'm adding some brown paint on the edges of the maple leaf.
Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment.
To paint the crate, I'm using the Truffle Waverly chalk paint, and you could always stain it. I just decided to paint it since the smell of the wood stain has been giving me headaches lately, so it just makes it a lot easier for me to use paint. Once they were both done drying, I'm going to be putting them together with some hot glue. I'm going to be adding this galvanized welcome sign from Dollar Tree in the center. Now I'm just going to fill up the wood crate.
I never gave the key to you, even though I wanted to. I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing look. I hope you all enjoyed this video and also got great ideas. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my weekly videos. With all of that said, I hope y'all stay safe and God bless.
Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. It should have been you. I could be wrapped around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you.